Dear student, our next topic is employment generation in rural India with special reference to Jammu and Kashmir. Sericulture or silk farming is the rearing of silkworm for the production of raw silk. Everybody knows. Sericulture is both an art and science of rearing of silkworm for silk production. Among species of silkworm, Bombyx murray is the most widely used silkworm for the purpose of rearing of silkworm. Silk is known as the queen of textile and biosteel because of its strength. Sericulture is used as a tool for rural reconstruction. Sericulture provides vibrancy to village economies because the temperature and humidity is very suitable in particular area of the rural. Low gestation because it requires only 1 month to complete its life cycle and very less investment is required. High returns, and it is the most important thing is women friendly occupation. Ideal program for weaker section of the society. And it is another very important point, it is eco-friendly activity. Satisfies equity concern. Sericulture has been promoted as an agro-based, labor-intensive, oriented cottage industry in the country, providing gainful employment mainly to the weaker and marginalized section of the society. It is estimated that sericulture can generate employment at the rate of 11 man days per kilogram of raw silk production throughout the year. Sericulture industry provides employment to approximately 8 million persons in rural and semi-urban areas in India. A sizable number of workers belonging to the economically weaker sections of the society, including women. 60 lakh people are engaged in various sericulture activities in the country. And the number one state of India is where women and other peoples are involved, are engaged in sericulture practices is Karnataka. It is par excellence and no other industry generates this kind of employment, especially in rural areas. Hence, sericulture is used as a tool for rural reconstruction. In China, 20 million farmers and 5 lakh people are occupied by sericulture and silk processing industry. In India, 59,000 villages providing employment to 7 million people from the farm sector and silk processing industry are practicing sericulture. Sericulture is an agro-based industry and it has been considered as an excellent sector for generation of employment both in rural and urban areas because the temperature, the humidity and the plantations required minerals and other and the soil is very suitable. Silk industry in the state has a glorious past and provide employment opportunity to almost half of the population of the state. Once upon a time during the Raja reign, it was very famous. Even in Poonch district, there was a separate Resham Garh. Series of activities like raising and planting of mulberry plants, silkworm rearing, production of silkworm seed, reeling of silk cocoons, making of silk fabrics, printing, drying and finished products making and their marketing. Efforts of State Department around 30,000 families are involved in silkworm rearing activities at present, and the crop production in the state is showing increasing trends. sericulture in Jammu and Kashmir. Sericulture being one of the traditional agro-based cottage industries of the state, producing high quality bivoltine silk comparable to international quality, helps in improving economic conditions of the rural masses and providing employment opportunities in pre and post cocoon activities. Dear students, 20 to 30% of the production of raw silk cocoons of the state is consumed within the state, while as the rest of the cocoon material goes outside the state through buyers from Bengal and Karnataka. Sericulture sector has been identified as a viable sector for generation of employment opportunities both in rural and urban areas, being an agro-based industry. Sericulture activity is able to provide livelihood earnings from an unskilled individuals to skilled ones during the course of raising, maintenance of the mulberry wealth, silkworm rearing to the finished product making during its value addition process. Government of Jammu and Kashmir is committed to boost the sericulture industry for the benefit of cocoon growers and generate employment for the unemployed youth. Employment from sericulture industry in Jammu and Kashmir. So you just see the table, employment in years and number of persons annually involved. For example, we are having complete data 2010 to 11 annually. Number of persons involved 75,000, and this number increases in the next year 11-12, that is 1 lakh, then 12-13 1,75,000. You just see the number is increasing gradually. 13-14 2,25,000, then 14-15 it is at 3 lakh, and then 15-16 3,50,000, and likewise the number of person involved in sericulture is increased day by day. Hope people will understand the importance of sericulture, and because of the viable temperature, humidity required for the good rearing process, more farmers will involved, and they will generate alternate employment for themselves and also increase the economy of Jammu and Kashmir. Thank you.